Behind the doors of SpaConcept is the intricate weave of history's canvas. In the heart of this ancient land, a legacy where civilizations carved their narratives. A legacy that defies the bounds of time and distance. An Egyptian woman, shrouded in the midst of time, uncovered the enigma of frangipani extract, unraveling a quest of ageless allure. Across oceans and untamed landscapes, in Bali's lush emerald realm, a different revelation awaited. A mother shared her legacy with her daughter. A daughter learned the art of exfoliation, the essence of frangipani, papaya, jicama, and aloe vera. A celebration of both history and freshness, transferring through touch, an ancient bond of nourished radiance. As the sands of time cascades onward, in the serenity of a Balinese garden, frangipani bloomed, revealed their own story. A mother's touch intertwined with a daughter's promise. They are the tradition passed down through the generations. Just as the cucumber offers cool and freshness, mothers and daughters create a sanctuary of calmness, an inheritance of shared beauty. Here, the moisturizing benefits of frangipani extract emerged. The rituals that connects us to our roots, a bridge between the past, present, and future. In this circle of shared wisdom, mothers and daughters embody the continuum of time and the legacy that lives within our hearts, in this circle of life beyond the surface. From the Egyptian lady's legacy to the Balinese treasures, a symphony of grace in aging. They are more than memories, harmonizing generations, a testament to the unbreakable bond between mothers and daughters.